problem with BLUM Undermount slides is that most people think that you have to use a 1/2 inch material so that all your drawer boxes look like they belong in kitchens and bathrooms. That sucks. I'm going to show you how to make 3/8 drawer boxes out of hardwood that use BLUM Undermount slides. The trick to using 3/8 drawer box stock with BLUM Undermount slides is to take the overall width of your drawer box, which in this case is 15 inches, and subtract 1/4 inch. Then cut yourself a 1/4 inch block to put on the back of your drawer box. You will then bond that block onto the back of your drawer box. Now you got a 3/8 drawer box, high quality hardwood, just like classic furniture, using modern BLUM Undermount slides. Now you're a better drawer box builder.